Alright guys, so that's the actuator here. It's located next to the drive shaft. It's transfer case, so unplug this from right here. Then it has 4 Torx bolts. Just undo them and take it out. Once I take it out, dismantle it and show you how to replace that gear. Oh yeah, let's watch. So yeah, it has Torx bolts. Just undo them and then take it out. Alright guys, so I took this out right. Apparently I had to take this thing out too. So this one goes like this, something like this, right? So this gear, it sits in there, so I gotta take this apart, change that gear. I mean, probably camera won't catch it. I mean, the gears, they seem a little worn, but this one, it shakes a lot too, so I don't know, this could be the cause. Because I do have an extra one, so I might just change this. I know it's a working one, then change this gear, put it, and hopefully it works. Yeah, so I'm gonna figure out how to take it out. I think I just need let me see, maybe pliers. I mean, not pliers, like a screwdriver. Let me get a screwdriver. So guys, I took it apart, the gears. I mean, it seems in good condition, the gear, so I don't think so it's the gear problem, because I mean, all the teeth looks in really good condition. I feel like it's this because it's, see, wobbling like this. I do have another one. I might just swap this out and see if that's the problem. I mean, I know I didn't show how to take it out. It's, to be honest, pretty simple. So this one, so it sits like this, you just pull it. But in order to, so you have this, so it's, which sits like this. Just get any like prying tool, just pry it out, it pops off. Once it pops off, to take this out, we have a washer that sits in here like this, and a pin, like a small pin, so it holds this gear in here. So I'm just gonna assemble this back and swap that actuator out, this one right here, and see if it's gonna solve the problem. I took this out first. I should have just swapped this out. I have a spare one, and see if it would have worked. But with, like most cases, usually it's this gear. When it gets worn out, people usually swap them out, it works. But in my case, the gear is perfectly fine. Come on, you just gotta like twist and pull. See? Yeah, let me put the washer here. I mean, the gear is in really good condition, so I don't think so it's the gear. So yeah, I'm gonna just assemble it back and put some more grease, and then swap that actuator out actually, and see if it's gonna solve the problem. Hopefully it does. Alright, I mean, I'm not guys gonna, maybe I'll show you how to assemble it back. I mean, it's pretty easy, so nothing complicated here. So pretty much just put it here like this. So put the washer, then we'll put this, snap this ring back, and I'll pop the cover back like this. I mean, to be honest, we can maybe even pop the cover first. I mean, it really doesn't matter. So just like this, it snaps right back on. Just use something so I can press it. I mean, I probably need like a hammer. Yeah. Alright guys, I just put this back together so it works. I just changed the gear just in case. I mean, this one it was in really good condition too, but just in case, I've changed the gear as well. And now I'm gonna go pull this actuator because I have a rebuilt transmission back there, so I'm gonna pull it from there, swap it in here, and hopefully works. So yeah, all right, let's see it. All right guys, I've just see, that's the old one. I mean, this is not new, it's used. I took it out from a working car. I put it all together. Now I'm just gonna put it back on the car and put the fuse back and hope for the best it works. I mean, technically should work. This is working one. The gear, I mean, it was in perfectly good condition, but I still changed it since I'm there. So if I'm gonna still get that what is it, the Christmas lights, probably somewhere else the problem is, but I mean, that's what previous owner told me, so that's why I went there. But I'll see, we'll see, hopefully it works. Alright guys, I think that was that actuator, because I did put that on. I put the fuse on and I didn't even have to reset the codes, it just went away. I mean, the only thing is on right now is the brake light. I think the guy changed the brake pads and everything. I don't know if he changed the brake wear sensor or maybe it just needs a reset, so I'm gonna take a look on that. But overall, man, so yeah, it's super healthy. So all the Christmas lights is gone, so that was the issue most likely. I mean, it's gone. It works nice. I've changed that crankshaft sensor, so I just drove it for a good amount. I rescanned the car so I don't see any weird codes. So mechanically it's getting there. Now I gotta figure out the stereo. It doesn't work. I mean, that's probably for another episode. Well, yeah guys, that was it. So thank you for watching again. I'll see you on the next one. It's probably either this or the 750 or the 740, whichever I'm gonna work. So yeah, I got too many projects. Well, all right, thank you guys.